Show of hands. Who's noticed an awful lot of motorcycles ride around with no license plate? Any guesses why? Well, mine really just fell off. But usually, when you see that, it's an indication the person on that bike has no intentions on stopping for police under any circumstances. And there's a very good reason for that. It is easy to get away from the police on a motorcycle. Even a Honda Grom like this one. You can go on sidewalks, through open gates. The possibilities are endless. As a matter of fact, when you get pulled over and you actually stop, 9 out of 10 times, the officer will actually thank you for stopping. And he'll let you know that he knows you didn't have to. It's a big statement right there. But if it's so easy to get away, and it's such a hassle to get a ticket, why would anybody ever stop? Good question. The answer to that boils down to two things. It's not worth it, and anything can happen. Let's start with the it's not worth it. In most places, it is a felony to run from the police. That will turn your entire life upside down. You're not just talking about a fine or even a little jail time. It's a permanent mark on your record that makes life a lot more difficult. With a felony, it's very hard to find a job. And if you do find one, it won't be a good one. And it definitely won't pay a lot. With a felony, you're not allowed to vote. So you have no choice over what goes on in your community, what new laws are passed, what reforms are made. Nothing. You just have to sit back and take it. Pause. And you also lose your right to carry a weapon, which is very important these days. There's a lot of crazies out there, and they have weapons. You can't be the only one without it. Then what are you gonna do? So a felony, totally not worth it. Whatever ticket you would have got for pulling over, much better than that. And even though you totally are not expecting to have to pay a ticket when you take off, because of how easy it is to get away, here comes the second part. Anything can happen. Just a few examples: mechanical failure, helicopters, running out of fuel. Those are all things that we don't deal with very often, and most of us never expect them to happen. But they do. Anybody that's ever had a flat tire or a coolant issue out there on the road can tell you that would have been very, very bad if they were in the middle of a police chase. You're disabled. You're done. There's nothing you can do. Then you get smacked with those felonies we were talking about, and you're sitting in the jail cell wishing you would have just paid your ticket.
Ay, Douglas Antonio.